Let me show you how to make a rain effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. At first select the layer. Then go to the second image. Click and drag it to the first image, and release here. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Then adjust the size and position. Press Enter to done. Select the layer, and change the mode to hard light. Okay, that's well. Click on Adjustments, and add black and white. Adjust the colors. Looks good. Come back to Layer panel. Select these two layers. Right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Okay, the layers merged. Now change the mode to Soft Light. This is done. Hope you liked it. Hey guys, after this, should I record the videos in portrait mode or full screen? Which one is better? Please leave your comment on this video. Thanks for watching.